Anticipation and timing are often called the invisible skills of street photography because they cannot be easily taught through settings or formulas. They develop through observation, patience, and experience. Yet these skills are what separate ordinary images from photographs that feel alive. Anticipation is the ability to sense what is about to happen before it happens. Timing is the ability to act at the precise moment when elements align. Together, they turn observation into storytelling. In street photography, moments are fleeting. Gestures rise and fall. Expressions change in seconds. People enter and exit light quickly. If you react only after something happens, you are often too late. Anticipation allows you to be ready before the moment appears. Anticipation begins with stillness. Instead of constantly walking and searching, slow down. Observe how people move through space. Notice patterns. People tend to repeat behaviors. They follow paths. They pause at certain places. Recognizing these patterns helps you predict moments. For example, a person approaching a pool of light will likely step into it. Someone walking toward a strong background will eventually intersect with it. A gesture often builds before it peaks. When you learn to recognize these cues, you stop chasing moments and start waiting for them. Timing is the execution of anticipation. It is pressing the shutter at the exact instant when gesture, composition, light, and emotion align. A fraction of a second too early or too late can completely change the meaning of an image. Good timing is not about speed, it is about awareness. Many photographers shoot continuously, hoping to catch something usable. While this can work, it often leads to randomness. Intentional timing produces stronger, more deliberate images. One way to improve timing is to pre-compose. Find a strong frame first, strong light, geometry, or background. Then wait. As people enter the frame, you only need to focus on timing rather than composition. This simplifies decision-making and increases consistency. Another key aspect is restraint. Not every movement needs to be photographed. Learning when not to shoot is just as important as knowing when to shoot. Restraint sharpens judgment and reduces visual noise in your work. Anticipation also applies to emotional moments. Interactions between people often follow rhythms. A conversation builds. A reaction follows. A laugh or a glance appears briefly. Observing emotional flow helps you recognize meaningful moments before they peak. Light also demands timing. In urban environments, light shifts rapidly as the sun moves behind buildings. A scene may only work for seconds. Anticipating how light behaves allows you to position yourself in advance rather than reacting too late. Developing anticipation and timing requires practice without pressure. Spend time watching without shooting. Study how scenes form and dissolve. Over time, your reactions become intuitive rather than conscious. Reviewing your images helps too. Look at near misses. Ask what was almost there. This reflection trains your instincts for future situations. Anticipation and timing are deeply connected to presence. When you are distracted, you miss cues. When you are present, moments reveal themselves earlier. This is why street photography often feels meditative. As these skills develop, your confidence grows quietly. You trust yourself to wait. You trust the moment to arrive. You press the shutter less, but with more purpose. Anticipation and timing cannot be rushed. They mature over time, but once developed, they change everything. Your photographs feel intentional, your stories feel complete, and the invisible skill becomes visible through the strength of your images.